Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix late notification problems on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Instagram, I need you to click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing delays with Instagram notifications where you receive them much later than they occur, here are some steps you can take to address the problem. But you have to realize that you need to make sure that the Instagram device or notification setting might not have been configured correctly. So you need to ensure that notifications are enabled both in the Instagram settings and your device settings. Now to do that, I need you to hover to your mobile phone settings. Right now I'm using an Android. I'm going to the app list and search for the Instagram. Click on it and make sure you have enough permissions. Okay? Especially with the notifications. So you see, like, you should make sure you allow notifications. You have the reminder intensity. You can set it to normal, remind in the default mode of the app, or low. The app notifications will be alerted by sounds, vibrations, and badges, all right? Or mute. The app notifications will have no reminders and be collapsed and displayed in silent notifications. Of course, maybe let's go for the reminder intensity, normal. You can play sound, vibrate, and of course for the notification style, you can have like all direct, Instagram direct, direct requests, Instagram direct video chat, or you can select this all Instagram notifications. All right. Now, another option that you can explore is to make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the Instagram app, because outdated app version can give you bugs or performance issues in older versions of the Instagram that could cause notification delays. Again, like here, update Instagram to the latest version via the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. All right. And then now make sure that in terms of the do not disturb mode right here, do not disturb. This one. This mode can block or delay notifications. Check if you do not disturb is on and adjust settings to allow notifications from the Instagram. All right. Now, the next thing that you need to explore is that you might want to go to the storage and cache, because corrupted cache or app data can cause performance issues. So I need you to clear storage and clear cache or reinstall the Instagram to refresh the apps. All right. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure you have an active internet connection, because poor connectivity issues can delay notifications. Ensure you have a stable and active strong internet connections, be it mobile data and Wi-Fi or cellular data. All right. Now, in the event that nothing's working, you might want to go here on the Instagram help, go to settings and privacy, and of course go to the report the problem. All right. There may be bugs within Instagram affecting notifications, and report the issue to Instagram support if the other troubleshooting steps does not resolve the problem. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.